going to go watch TV. I need to eat something first. Maybe I will eat some leftover bacon. Oh no, we're all out of bacon. I'll just order pizza. Let's watch Grindora.
The following message is a request from the United States. It seems there's going to be a tornado pretty soon. Beware. It's going to be in many places, everywhere in the world, and including Portland. So beware, the tornado will be here soon. Very, very soon.
I must get away from the tornado and hide. I hope the tornado does not break my fortress down. Oh no, the tornado is almost here. Well, where did the tornado go? Well, I'm going to practice to get the tornado to go away.
I am now stronger. I can now destroy the tornado.